Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.7, Problem 25. This is Section 1.7, Problem 25. We have 6,943 over 53. Now, if you have a calculator and you want to solve this problem, you can enter 6,943 divide by 53 equals, and the calculator will give you the answer right away. Now, if you don't have a calculator, you're going to do it by hand, which means you would write 53 goes into 6,943 how many times? So to do that, first you concentrate on the 69 and see how many times will 53 fit into 69. It will only fit in once. So I put a 1 over the 9. 1 times 53 is 53. And I'll subtract 69 minus 53. Well, 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. So that gives me a 16. 16 is a good answer because it's smaller than 53. So I can proceed. I go over one digit to the right. I see that it's a 4. I bring it down next to the 16 that I got as a result from my subtraction. So a 16 with a 4 next to it makes it 164. How many times will 53 fit into 164? Well, one of them is 53. Two of them would be a little over 100. Three of them would be a little over 150. So 3 would fit in well. So 3 times 53. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 5 is 15. So now I want to do 164 minus 159. So the 4 isn't quite big enough to subtract the 9 from. So I'll cross off the 6 next to it, make it a 5. I'll make that 4 into a 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. I'll bring down the next digit, which is a 3. And look at that. 53 will fit into 53 how many times? It fits in exactly once. 1 times 53 is 53. I subtract, the result is 0, so I don't have a remainder this time. So the answer is 131.